in the Premier Europe,
Manchester,
now cooked in Asia.
Chow Manchester.
Before the game, they did an open-top bus parade.
You silly boys.
What the hell were they celebrating?
15th.
They played the Southern East Asian All-Stars.
Legends.
These are the guys who should have been on that bus. Manchester, can it get any worse?
And finished that.
They really travelled to Asia to get a win.
Couldn't win on FIFA.
Elwind said no. Hold that L.
Hallelujah.
It was pretty much the full team. Look at this, Ornana, the Fruit Hoyland.
Where's Johnny Evans?
Sadly, these guys are just rubbish.
Dustchester.
And when they come home, they come back to rats.
Bruno's cousins.
They've been given a 2-star food hygiene.
Manchester.
My local chicken shop's got 3 stars.
At least we got a barbecue.
Honestly, Manchester, stop this World L tour. Yeah? Let these guys go on holiday.
Please.
They need it.